In this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can rewire your brain with affirmations. Including positive affirmations in your life can mean the difference between a terrible day and an amazing one. If you're considering incorporating affirmations into your daily routine, here are some tips to help you rewire your brain for success and harness the power of manifestation. Replace negative self-talk. When it comes to manifesting your desires, it is essential that you can release your limiting beliefs. Releasing your limiting beliefs will allow you to fine-tune your frequency and restructure your mindset. When you consciously repeat positive affirmations, your subconscious mind will begin to implement this new style of thinking, which will allow you to start thinking positively. Practice your affirmations in the mirror. Reciting your affirmations out loud is great, but directing them to yourself is even better. When you first try this, it can feel a bit strange. Take a moment to notice how your body feels when you recite your affirmations in front of a mirror. You will see that it feels relatively similar when you receive praise from a stranger. Recite your affirmations during exercise. Using your affirmations as a part of your exercise can be a great way to make the most out of your workout. Your positive affirmations can help to motivate you to keep moving and improve both your physical strength as well as your emotional strength by blocking out destructive thoughts. While you mentally recite your affirmations, make sure that you are imagining these thoughts flowing through your bloodstream and consuming you through the movement. Combine your affirmations with meditation. Transforming your positive affirmations into a mantra to use during your meditation practice is a powerful way to imprint your intention on a deeper level. The practice of meditation is often seen as a gateway for communicating between the higher self and the universe. Choose a single positive affirmation to focus on for the week while you practice meditation or yoga, and repeat the statement in your mind as you breathe. Incorporating these tips into your affirmation practice can bring about significant changes in your life. Learn to harness the power of manifestation by rewiring your brain with positive affirmations.